Hey Year 9, so just so you all know what's going on, here I am in the Year 9 teams. I'm sure you've seen it before. Um, as you can see, I've posted the classwork for today and I've asked you to please check in for the roll. All you have to do is, you know, just give me a little emoji or make a comment so that I know that you're here. To find the work, if I, for some reason, haven't just posted it, if you go to Files and you click into Class Materials, you'll see that there is the Year 9 end of term sequence. All right, so that's what you need to do. So as you can see, we're up to Monday. Assessment task is due. The new unit starts today. Have a little read of that, and I need you to complete these things down here. So just cut and paste that into a document and answer those questions, which seems pretty easy. Now, for me to know that you've actually completed the work, here we are back in our posts. We have a look in Class Notebook. Now, in Class Notebook, it's a little bit slow sometimes, but there's just this little panel here. You give a click on that, and you're all down here. All right, so if you're Archie's going to click on that, and he's going to go Work Completed, and he's going to go Lesson 1 or Lesson 3 that we're up to, and he's probably going to insert whatever work he's done, and it's a file, and he's going to pop it in there. And that's all you have to do to submit the work and show me that you're doing the stuff. Now, I know that, you know, some of you, doing work on farms or whatever, you can catch up on stuff, but I will be taking a note of what you've done each day to really help you out. And certainly if you've got any questions, you can either email me or just do that. So I'll be just checking on Charlie to make sure I've got his stuff. Anyway, good luck, guys.